how to quickly set up your MacBook Pro M4 or M5 2004 or 2005 for first time use. So if you open up your MacBook should automatically switch on. If it does not automatically switch on, you can press and hold on the power button here for a few seconds and turn on your MacBook Pro. Here on this screen, if you see this screen, you can select a Wi-Fi network. It asks you to select a Wi-Fi network. So you go up here and click on Wi-Fi, and from here select your Wi-Fi. Now put in your Wi-Fi password. Now MacBook will now go ahead and try to activate your computer. Here, so your Mac is activated. It will restart in 51 seconds. So you can go down and click on restart. Okay, on the hello screen, we're going to click on next, select language.
To use Australian English as the main language, press the return key.
Okay, so click on the next button here on the arrow. Then select country or region and click on continued. Here it says transfer your data to this Mac. So we will select setup as new and click on continued. Here you can set your accessibility now, or you can choose not now. Next, we need to connect to your Wi-Fi again and put in the password. Then click on continued. Okay, on this screen here, you want to click on continued. Now create your Mac account. Now put in the password and confirm the password and password hint and click on continued. Now say the hint can't contain the password. So I'll erase that and then click on continued. Now if you see it's not doing anything, just be patient and wait. It may take a few seconds. Here it will ask you to sign into your Apple account. If you don't have one, you can create a new Apple account, or you can use your existing Apple account, either email or phone number. Or you can use a different account, so you can collect on one of that. You can also choose set up later, so I will select set up later. We can always sign into Apple account later in settings, and then tap on skip. Next, click on agreed, then click on agreed button. Here you can choose to turn on location services and then click on continued. Now choose don't share Mac analytics with Apple and click on continued. Now you can choose to set up screen time now by clicking on the continue button, or we can choose set up later. Here for Apple Intelligence, you can set up Apple Intelligence now, or you can choose set up later. Again, with Siri, you can enable Ask Siri now or later. Click on continued and then select a voice.
The colors of the sky fade with the setting sun.
Then click on continued. Click on continued. And you need to say this to Siri. Now, if it takes too long, you can also choose set up later. Here, you can choose not now and click on continued. For Touch Up ID, you can set up Touch ID right now by touching on it, or we can set up Touch ID later. And then click on continued. Here it says choose your look, dark theme, auto, or light theme. And click on continued. And here's the update Mac automatically. So we can choose only download automatically. Here you see it says welcome to Mac. So click on continued. And that's it. We're now on to your home screen. And from here, you can always click on the Apple button at the top corner and then go into system settings. In here, you can always sign into your MacBook and perform other settings. And that is how you can quickly set up your MacBook Pro M4, M5, or 2004, 2005. Thank you for watching this video. If you find it helpful, please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.